So today in this video, let's discuss about the enums in the Rust programming language. So let's perform some coding stuff and let's discuss about that particular enums. Here you need to choose the direction. Even again, here also you need to choose the direction. And then you need to mention where what sort of direction do you require. Okay, let's mention it at the end. Now let's perform some coding stuff. Here we need to specify all the directions. Already here we are specify up, down, left, and right. So again here we need to specify all those directions. So as in this way we can mention all the coding stuff here, and then for let's check it from the beginning till the end actually. Is it really crystal clear, or else any sort of errors that didn't been there? Let's check in that way. So when it comes to the up enum direct direction, and then up, down, left, right. So these are all the positions actually. And then function main, let player, it's completely based upon games, I mean players and games, right? So player direction, yeah, again the direction is equals to direction. Up to now everything is fine, and I just told you previously at the beginning itself, here we need to assign with what sort of position are we gonna look. I didn't assign, and let's assign, and again, and let's check all the coding stuff here. Again, when it comes to the here match player direction. So it's simply looking at what sort of player direction is, and then player is at up, player is at down, player is at left, and player player right, player, all such kind of things, right, left, up, down, all such kind of positions actually. And then print ln. So basically, if the player is looking at up, then the value we are looking at up will get printed. And again, if the player is I mean is going towards the down, and then the value we are going all the down way. So that's the value which is going to get printed. And then again, if the player is looking at the left, then left is right in that way. If the player is at right, then let's move towards the right. So those are the values which we gonna get right. So up to now everything is fine, no need to worry. And then yeah, just a second. No need to worry, everything is fine. So now what we need to do is here we need to mention the positions. So let's mention a position which is known as up, and then let's look with the watch of output are we gonna get. So here it is. We had mentioned you itself. It'll ask you because previously we had mentioned here, right? So you need to select this up, and then now let's try to run, and let's wait and watch for the watch of output are we gonna get. Yes, actually we got output. Actually, we got output as we are looking it up. But with the output also we got some warnings. So why we got a warnings? I'll explain you in that also. Okay, before explaining of the warnings, I'll explain you. Okay, so here we had mentioned up, down, left, and right, right. But yeah, the direction we had only given the up. We did not define about the down, left, and right. So what exactly happens is it will simply say that warning what about the down, warning what about the left, and warning what about the right. So that's the thing. You simply say in another format. Let's look over the what sort of format it's saying. So warning variant down should have uppercase. In that way, actually, it is not actually defining of the down. And again, it will say about the left also. Here it is explaining of the left also. Warning left, and then let's discuss about the right. It will even represent the right here. So basically, yeah, warning right, whatever the right in that way. Again, finally, we didn't even explain about the down, right? So again, it's explaining the down, warning down in that way. So as in the same way, it will even explain about the all the sort of things, left, right, and all the sort of things, and finally we'll get an output. So here we got an output. We are looking at output as in that way. So as in that way, whatever you want to perform, you can simply perform it. Let's perform down now, and again let's look at the up and other sort of things. So then if you'll get